Hi friends! Thanks for tuning in. If you like this video, please give it a like, comment below, and take a moment to subscribe to our channel. Marshall is a small village in west central Saskatchewan, located just east of the Alberta border along Highway 16, part of the Yellowhead Highway. With a population of around 600 people, Marshall is a quiet prairie community that serves as a local hub for surrounding farms and rural residents. Its close proximity to the city of Lloydminster gives it a balance of small-town living with access to larger services nearby. Marshall was established in the early 20th century during a period of rapid settlement across the Canadian prairies. The arrival of the railway played a key role in the village's development, helping to transport grain and supplies while connecting settlers to broader markets. The community was officially incorporated in 1909. Like many towns in this region, its growth was closely tied to agriculture and the needs of early homesteaders working the land. Agriculture continues to be the foundation of Marshall's economy. The surrounding landscape is dominated by fields of wheat, canola, and other cereal crops that thrive in Saskatchewan's fertile soil. Farming technology has changed over the years, but the importance of the land has remained constant. Local businesses and services still support the agricultural community, maintaining a strong connection between the village and its rural roots. Marshall is also known for its strong sense of community and local traditions. Events and gatherings bring residents together throughout the year, reflecting the close-knit nature of life in a smaller village. Recreational facilities, parks, and nearby open spaces provide opportunities for outdoor activities, especially during the warmer months when the prairie landscape is at its most vibrant. The area around Marshall carries the broader history of Saskatchewan settlement, including the influence of Indigenous peoples who lived on and traveled through these lands long before European settlers arrived. Later waves of immigration brought people from various cultural backgrounds, each contributing to the identity of the region. This mix of histories is part of what shapes the character of communities like Marshall today. Though small in size, Marshall represents a familiar and enduring part of rural Saskatchewan. It is a place where agriculture, history, and community remain closely connected, offering a glimpse into the everyday life of the prairie provinces. For travelers, it provides a quiet and authentic stop along one of Canada's key cross-country routes, where the wide skies and open land define the experience. watching.